Morning mayhem. Morning mayhem, huh, Missy? Watch out, Rainy's gonna get you. Rainy's gonna get you. What you got, Patty? Patty says I'm digging. Maggie's digging. Everybody's digging. Come on, Tara. Come on, Tara. Tara's blood work came out really good. Everything, her kidneys are good, her liver's good. She may not need to be on thyroid medication anymore, which is all pretty amazing because she's 12 and she lived a very neglected life for the first 10 years on a chain, eating bargain basement dog food with no medical attention, was not spayed, had a uterine infection, and came here almost 2 years ago. January will be 2 years, and she's doing really great. Gained about 10 pounds. Hey, Carson! Hey, Carsey! Carsey's out on the hunt. He's out on the hunt. Hi, Liza. What you got, Rainy? Shyla, don't bite Rainy. Rainy's digging. Shyla. They must have seen a lizard go down under that bush. Even though it's almost November, it's warm enough to still have some lizards out. What's under there, Maggie? What's under there, Maggie? Tara's digging. Where'd he go, Rainy? Where'd he go, Rainy? Liza takes it upon herself to go after Shyla when Shyla gets too rough with anybody else. But I sure like making dust. That choked me to death, huh, Maggie? Huh, Maggie? Hey, Monkey. Come on, Tara. Come on, Tara. Missy! 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 Missy, Missy, Missy. Hello, Missy. Let's take a walk, okay? Come on, Missy. Hey, Carson, what are you looking for? Liza, don't butt in. Maggie. Here comes Carson. Carsey, come on, Carson. He's always looking for a girl, isn't he? Carson. Hi, Moki. Hi, Moki. Hi, Moki. Moki, you're so silly. You're so silly. Yes, you are. Come on, Carson. 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 Come on, Carson. Carsey. He says, I don't listen to anybody. He doesn't listen very well, does he? He's got the oddest movement of any dog I've ever known, I think. It's very interesting to watch him.